In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in ClickUp. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that helps you organize your tasks and projects efficiently. Whether you're a new user or someone looking to enhance your workspace experience, understanding how to customize your view by adding columns is a handy skill. Let's dive into the steps to do just that. First, you'll need to go to your list view within ClickUp. The list view allows you to see all your tasks organized neatly, which can make project management much more manageable. Once you're on the list page, you'll notice it displays your tasks in a tabular format, much like a spreadsheet. This view is designed so that you can customize what information is displayed for each task. To personalize this view according to your needs, look for a small plus icon generally located at the top of the list. This plus icon is your gateway to adding new information columns to your tasks. When you hover over it, it should prompt you to add column. Clicking this icon is a crucial step, as it opens up a menu where you'll find multiple options to choose from. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, you'll see a list of different types of columns you can add. These column types can include text fields, numbers, checkboxes, and more, depending on what kind of information you want to track. Consider what data would be beneficial for your project, whether it's additional notes, status updates, or priority ratings, and select the appropriate option. This step is essential for tailoring your ClickUp experience to suit your team's workflow. After you've decided on the column type that best fits your needs, it's time to add it. This is where you'll need to click on the specific column type you wish to include in your list. Keep in mind the kind of information this new column will store, as it should align with your current project management strategy. Each new column acts as a new field in your task database, helping you keep track of more detailed task attributes. The final step is to create this column by clicking on the Create button. This action confirms your selection and adds the new column to your list view. You should see the new column appear right where you selected it, ready to be populated with data for existing and new tasks. This step solidifies your customized view and allows you to input the information that's most critical for your projects. By customizing your list view with new columns, you're effectively enhancing the way you and your team interact with your tasks, optimizing your workflow for better productivity. I hope this guide helps you make your project management neater and more intuitive. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.